Introducing the Daily Flash Revenue Report by Docyt. Get revenue insights emailed to your inbox daily. Docyt connects with 30-plus PMS or POS systems and 14,000-plus financial bank and credit card institutions to pull in your financial data. No matter what accounting system you use, Docyt's Daily Revenue Flash Report delivers real-time insights straight to your inbox. Our AI handles the entire reconciliation process in real time, so you don't have to. Then sends a PDF snapshot report of your revenue performance directly to your email every morning. Whether you run a single business or a portfolio, Docyt scales with you, offering portfolio-level revenue reporting to track performance by brand or location. Whether you want to see month-to-date or year-to-date comparisons, you can view this report to your needs. You can also track the KPIs that matter most. For hospitality businesses like hotels, you can track key metrics like RevPAR, ADR, occupancy rate, and other metrics that'll help you plan or adjust pricing and budgets for the business. Getting visibility into your finances is that easy with Docyt. What once took hours of manual work and days of delay, Docyt AI handles daily. Ready to get started? Scan the QR code to learn more about Docyt's Daily Flash Revenue Report.